In the 2025 smartphone scene, balance has almost become the standard answer. Brands behave like careful chefs, constantly juggle compromises within a limited budget. Push performance a bit higher and battery life takes a hit. Go thinner and lighter and heat dissipation suffers. In the end, it's all about managing trade-offs. But as OnePlus's first release of 2026, the OnePlus Turbo 6 clearly doesn't want to play by those old rules. Instead of stressing over compromises, it takes a different route altogether by simply raising the ceiling. That's why you're seeing OnePlus go all in with a 165 Hz ultra-high refresh rate, pair it with a massive 9,000 mAh battery that's nearly the biggest in its segment, and add a co-developed Snapdragon chip. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Each of these specs on its own is already aggressive, but put together, they send a very clear message. OnePlus is aiming for balance through sheer ambition. So the big question is, does the Turbo 6 really break the traditional balance of smartphones, or does it just look impressive on paper? In this video, we're going to find out how it performs in real-world use. Honestly, when I first saw the spec sheet for the OnePlus Turbo 6, my immediate reaction was, this thing must be huge and heavy with a 9,000 mAh battery. But the moment I picked it up, I was genuinely surprised. It doesn't feel nearly as heavy as I expected. Despite the large 6.78-inch display, it weighs just 217 grams and measures only 8.5 millimeters thick. In daily use, it feels comfortable in the hand and far from bulky. From a design perspective, you can tell OnePlus put real thought into how this phone looks and feels. It's not the typical performance phone that screams power at first glance. Instead, it's more like a tough guy in a tailored suit, subtle but confident. The 15.5mm rounded corners give it smooth, flowing lines, and the ultra-thin metal deco design even adds a slightly refined, almost elegant vibe. The chasing light silver color is especially eye-catching. Thanks to a 3D holographic engraving process, it resists fingerprints well, and when light hits it, you get this floating, dynamic play of light and shadow that makes the phone look surprisingly premium. Now let's talk about the display, because this is one of the Turbo 6's biggest highlights in my opinion. It comes with the only 165 Hz ultra-high refresh rate eSports screen in its price range. You're looking at a 6.78-inch LTPS flat panel with a 1.5K resolution and 450 ppi, and yes, that refresh rate really does hit 165 Hz. Keep in mind, a lot of flagship phones are still capped at 120 Hz, so OnePlus is clearly pushing boundaries here. Whether those extra frames actually matter is something we'll put to the test later during gaming. We also ran lab standard tests on the screen itself. Manual brightness sits at around 158 nits, while global brightness can reach up to 1760 nits. Watching videos or playing games outdoors isn't an issue at all. You can see everything clearly. The default color temperature measures at 7549K, which leans slightly cool, but this kind of tuning tends to suit most people's viewing preferences. Color temperature uniformity is over 98%, which is excellent, and eye protection has clearly been taken seriously. The blue light peak is controlled at 461 nanometers, combined with high brightness DC dimming and 3840 Hz PWM dimming at low brightness. All of this works together to noticeably reduce eye strain during long gaming or video sessions. If you're someone who spends hours on your phone, this screen is genuinely easier on the eyes. In terms of everyday features, the Turbo 6 doesn't hold back. You get NFC, Wi-Fi 7, and top-tier protection ratings including IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K. For daily use, that level of protection gives you a lot of peace of mind. Now let's move on to performance, which is arguably the most critical part of the OnePlus Turbo 6. It runs on a deeply customized Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, officially named the 4th generation Snapdragon 8S Windspeed Edition. The name aside, what really matters is how it performs, so let's jump straight into the real-world tests. Starting with Genshin Impact, we tested a mixed scenario of exploration and combat in the demanding Natasha area. The Turbo 6 managed a rendering resolution of 881p, which is relatively high for this game. During the first 5 minutes, performance was very stable. As the phone warmed up, some frame rate fluctuations appeared, but after a full 30-minute session, the average frame rate still landed at 58.42 FPS. Average power consumption was 6.4 watts, and the highest temperature recorded on the back was 45.5 degrees Celsius. For a phone in this price range, those numbers are seriously impressive. We also compared it with another Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 device we tested earlier, and the difference is clear. The Turbo 6's Windspeed gaming kernel and Ice Core cooling system really make a difference. In high-resolution scenarios, it delivers strong frame rates while keeping power consumption and temperatures under excellent control. Next up is Honor of Kings, one of the most popular mobile games out there. Since it supports a 144 Hz mode, we pushed it to the limit. The result couldn't be simpler. The frame rate graph is almost a straight line, with virtually no dips at all. This is the first phone we've tested that can sustain a continuous 144 Hz full-frame experience in Honor of Kings. What surprised me even more was the efficiency. Average power consumption stayed below 4 baud bits, and the phone's temperature hovered around just 38 degrees Celsius. Performance like this puts a lot of flagship devices to shame. So is that 165 Hz display we talked about earlier just a flashy number? In my experience, it's genuinely useful, especially in FPS games. A higher refresh rate doesn't just make visuals look smoother. More importantly, it reduces display latency. What you see on screen appears sooner, and your inputs feel more immediate. That's exactly why high refresh monitors have always been so popular in the esports world. Take Call of Duty as an example. Jumping from 120 Hz to 165 Hz means 45 extra frames every second. Movements look smoother, the crosshair tracks more precisely, and aiming, firing, and recoil control all feel sharper. Quite often, the first shot really does decide the outcome. What really matters here is that the Turbo 6 can hold a relatively stable frame rate even at this high refresh rate while keeping power consumption and temperature in check. And honestly, that balance is more important than just chasing big frame numbers. Plus, as more games begin to natively support 165 Hz, the benefits of this screen won't be temporary. They'll become even more obvious as the gaming ecosystem continues to grow. Now let's move on to battery life, which is a major highlight of the OnePlus Turbo 6. It packs a massive 9,000 mAh battery, and just seeing that number already eases a lot of battery anxiety. We ran a comprehensive endurance test, and after 5 hours of mixed usage that included video streaming, social media browsing, taking photos, and gaming, the phone still had 64% battery left. That's a very strong result. Even when we pushed it hard until shutdown, it still managed an hour each of Genshin Impact, Star Iron, and PUBG, plus another 50 minutes of Ming Dynasty mode. In real life, that kind of performance easily covers a full day of heavy use, and lasting into the next morning is no problem at all. It truly lives up to its positioning as a high-end gaming phone. At the same time, the bypass power supply feature hasn't been compromised. This helps keep temperatures under control while gaming and charging, and it also reduces battery wear caused by repeated charge and discharge cycles. For hardcore gamers, this is a very meaningful bonus. There's also one more feature I personally found extremely practical. With 27-watt reverse charging, the Turbo 6 actually charges other devices faster than most shared power banks. While others are still digging around for a charger, you can simply pull out the Turbo 6 and give your friend's phone a quick boost. Not only do you avoid battery anxiety yourself, but you help them avoid it too. As for the software experience, there's no need to spend too much time talking about the smoothness of ColorOS 16. Most people are already familiar with it, and once you get used to the fluid animations and fast response, it's genuinely hard to go back. Ecosystem connectivity has also taken a big step forward. The Turbo 6 can now integrate seamlessly with the iPhone's native experience, including notification syncing, call sharing, and one-tap file transfers. Messages that arrive on your iPhone can show up on the Turbo 6, and photos or documents can be sent across with a single tap. There's basically no learning curve. Even commonly used Apple devices like AirPods and Apple Watch work smoothly, and switching between devices feels almost effortless. If you want a powerful phone with long battery life that still plays nicely with the iOS ecosystem, the Turbo 6 is a very solid option. The camera setup on the OnePlus Turbo 6 is straightforward and practical. It features a 50-megapixel main camera paired with a secondary lens, and in bright daylight, the image quality is quite pleasing. Colors aren't pushed too hard. Skies look naturally blue without feeling overprocessed. Exposure control in backlit scenes is also stable, honestly better than I expected. At night, even with bright signs and streetlights in the frame, it does a good job controlling highlights and avoiding that washed out look. If I had to sum up the positioning of the OnePlus Turbo 6 in one sentence, it would be this. It's a top-tier device that focuses on performance, battery life, and a high refresh rate. Instead of chasing flashy gimmicks in cameras or design, it puts user experience first, smoothness, stable frame rates, and long-lasting battery life, and delivers a consistently solid experience. In daily use, the 165Hz refresh rate makes both gaming and scrolling feel noticeably smoother. The Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 provides stable performance with reasonable power consumption and temperature control, and the 9,000 mAh battery offers real peace of mind throughout the day. Simply put, this is a high-performance phone with excellent battery life. If that's exactly what you're looking for, then the Turbo 6 is definitely worth considering. All right, that wraps up this review of the OnePlus Turbo 6. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, save, and share. See you in the next one.